And guess what's happened? How to check your current location on Google Maps. To find your location on Google Maps, open the app or website and just type, or you're gonna see circle where your location is, right? And marked by blue dot, ensuring your device's location services are enabled in settings first. If you want to know how, just hit this avatar icon at the top right and press the settings gear at the bottom and press location and privacy. Inside, you're gonna see multiple options, including device location. Just hit device location for maps. It will take you to the device or to the app's settings. At the top, the first option, location, just hit it and turn on or enable the location if you turn it off. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one, and don't forget to turn on also the precise location, right? To use your specific location. All right, so see you in the next one.